guys, welcome to Shrisha's kitchen, the taste of heaven. For all the moms out there, I'm sure you would have faced this situation where you're in a hurry and you don't know what to make as the side dish for rice. Well, this is the video you all are looking for, because today we're going to see how to make peanut chutney, an amazing side dish for rice, and that could be done just in 5 minutes. So the first step is, of course, to roast some peanuts. I have took lots of peanuts, so I usually roast a lot of peanuts together and then store it in a box, because whenever you're in a hurry, you can use the roasted peanuts that are ready. So friends, as you can see, we have roasted the peanuts nicely. They have become nicely brown. They have become brown evenly. So now you can remove the skin and store them in a container. So then moving on, take a small utensil, and I've switched on the stove and I'm going to keep the flame on low. And then we're going to add a little bit of oil, then 2 green chilies as whole, and then 1 dry red chili. So friends, the chilies you can always adjust accordingly, because we're not going to add chili powder or any other spice ahead. And then 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. Friends, I have used Indian garlic as it will give us a better taste. Once you have roasted them nicely and they have become golden brown, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of curry leaves. I have washed them and dried them, and then I'm adding them inside. So once you've done that, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or garlic powder. So let's just give it a mix. Now you can transfer it to another bowl. So in the same utensil, I'm going to add a little bit more oil, and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, then 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. So now let's saute them nicely until they've turned a little bit aromatic. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of pepper. So once everything is nicely sauteed, I'm going to go ahead and grind them in a mixer. So let's open it. So friends, look at this. The mixture is grainy and it's not totally powdered. So now you can keep it aside. So I'm going to a big mixer and I'm going to add 1 cup, that is 250 grams of peanuts we had roasted before. Then I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of soaked tamarind. Friends, I have soaked them for 10 minutes. And friends, make sure you remove the seeds. And then we can add a little bit of salt according to our taste. And then the spice mixture, the coriander and the cumin seeds and the pepper mixture. So now let's grind it nicely. So once it has been grinded nicely like this, you can go ahead and add a little bit of water. So friends, the amount of water is according to you, how you want the chutney to be, in what consistency. So next, let's add in our slightly roasted chilies and garlics. I'm going to add a little bit of water. And that's it. Our peanut chutney is ready. Friends, look how creamy it is. And the taste is also amazing. And friends, I kept my word. And here you are with a totally easy chutney. And you add ghee to it. And there's nothing more divine than this. So now let's take a little bit of this chutney with the aromatic ghee soaked in, and I've just mixed it with the rice, and it's totally amazing, friends. You should definitely try this out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to try this recipe out and tell me in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Love you guys. Bye bye.